B. I will see you guys.
You got to quit going about to establish your own righteousness, and you've got to start saying, Father, thank you that I am righteous, not through what I've done, but through Jesus. He was made sin for me so that I could become the righteousness of God.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting. I'm good.
So to get my whites really white, I soak them for hours in the washer. I use Dawn dishwashing soap, white vinegar, baking soda, and I soak everything. And you can already tell like whites are whiting right now.
Actually, more than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Marry my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me. When I saw you over there, I wasn't sure. Now I'm feeling something I haven't before. Look at us now dancing now, skin to skin. If you keep this up, then I'll let you in. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous every
Hey guys, so it has been a long day, okay? I'm sorry, I think this is the first time I'm actually talking to you. I have been cleaning all day long, okay, and I'm still not done. However, I have to go wash my car. This is what it's giving right now. I don't know if you can see it. This is the Saturday afternoon. It's like 3:39. The car wash place closes at I think 5 or 6, so I have to get there right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out, and the fragrance that I'm gonna be wearing for my outing will be Balenciaga B. Well, I don't even think they sell this anymore, so I try to use it sparingly. Okay guys, so I completely changed my outfit or wardrobe to run errands. Well, I just couldn't figure out what shoes to wear, and the same tank top. Now I think I'm gonna wear tennis shoes. Yeah, so I have this cover up. I don't know where I got it. I got it a long time ago, probably from Macy's or one of the racks or something.
Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it. Chemistry.
Very clear in Romans chapter 10, verse 10, that the thief cometh not but for to steal, to kill, and to destroy. But Jesus has come that you might have life and have it more abundantly. If you go out and live in sin, God loves you because He's already forgiven your sin. If you have unforgiveness in your heart, you're bitter, and God loves you. He's not mad at you, but you have just given the devil a free shot, and he's stealing from you and taking from you, and you don't even connect these dots. I believe in living holy. You're stupid if you don't start planning and giving and trusting God, but God loves you, stupid. It says in 1 John 4:18, fear has torment. And most Christians are tormented in their relationship with God. They're afraid that if they don't do everything just right, He'll reject them. Only when we're doing everything right will God stick with us. That is not true.
Thank you so much. You what?
Look inside though.
Okay. Oh, she pretty. Huh? I'll come sooner. I knew you were gonna end up doing too much because, ow, it's been like a month, right?
Yeah.
Because you were the last person that did my car, yeah.
You see how it is though.
Oh my gosh.
Sure, freaking video.
Does he? I don't even think he knows like.
No, yeah. Only person want to tell him they're talking.
They talking? So beautiful. So beautiful. Mark, again, thank you so much. I appreciate you
No problem.
and all that you do.
Good one.
Oh, I'm like, am I lost? Hi. Yes.
Reservation or walking?
Thank you. Okay. She's supposed to be coming down to meet me. Oh, she's calling now. Okay, perfect. Oh, thank you. No, it's okay. I'm coming up. You don't have to come down. Okay, so I'll come. I think I'm gonna go and make coffee. I didn't think I needed any. I can also make a matcha. It's just really cold in here. It's taking a while for the AC to go up. It's just too cold to have a cold drink. I could go work outside, but the 3 screen is really useful when I'm doing reports and motions and things of that sort, because then I get to use one screen. I get to use one screen for my remote work, which allows me access to my work computer, and then one screen to like actually type and the other to like do research and things of that sort. I have way too much to do to just let's go get some coffee. And I don't know why I don't fill this up, you guys, because the flavor that I seem to always want is never in here. I mean, I could do this. This is really strong. It's a ristretto, and I really like this one. It's really strong. I don't think I need that right now. I purchased a bunch of these. This is the caramel. I'm not pressed with this at all. And the other one that I purchased a lot of is this chocolate truffle. Not impressed. I don't know, just have this, maybe it's a taste that I haven't acquired yet. I do have organic coffee, but I really love these. Nespresso had like coffee from like different countries, and I purchased a bunch of these as well as others. So the one I'm gonna be drinking this morning is Uganda. So it's actually from Uganda, which is pretty cool. Before, I didn't think I would ever drink coffee with syrup. However, you guys, when I tell you these Starbucks syrups I will never, unless it's the holidays, I don't think I will ever go back to buying my coffee. Like, I feel like my machine does a really good job in addition to the syrup. Best thing ever. Super creamy. It's definitely getting warmer in here, but I think this will definitely warm me up. It was a little bitter, so I just wanted to add a little bit more syrup. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working and just come back a little bit later. Okay. I really shouldn't be eating this much cheese, but I figured if I balance it with a lot of veggies, I will be fine. So I'm gonna put this in there. Okay, sis. I don't know if you can see it. Much better, much better. Okay, my battery's about to die. I'm gonna eat half of this and probably half of it later, because it's not the kind of lunch snack meal that you can like leave overnight. So I definitely will be eating the whole thing today. I just know I'm not gonna be able to do that at this moment. So I'm going to go ahead and eat very quickly because I'm still working on this pre-mediation report. I'm gonna go ahead and just pause here and come back to you guys later. Good morning, sister girl. Okay, so it is the next day. I don't even think I ended the vlog yesterday. I apologize. It was a long day. I talked on the phone while I watched something and then I crashed. We are back. Okay, I've already done all my morning prep, skincare, all that other stuff. Now I'm gonna make coffee. I am going into the office today. Oof, it's getting a little late. I'm gonna do my makeup, very light, very light, and then get dressed. I have a deposition later on this afternoon. That's really the reason why I'm going. I barely slept last night, you guys. I had such a hard time. I'm just exhausted to say the least, but we're gonna get it done. But I didn't show you this makeup look. Let me know what you think.
take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
From Aldo.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah,
Okay, so I am going to come back in about 5 minutes with my outfit. Okay, I think this is what I'm wearing tonight, because I have these really short kitten green heels. So I have these really cute kitten heels. I think they're gonna go with this top that also has like the green flower patterns on them. I just hope it's high enough so that my pants don't touch the ground because it is raining. I imagine the floors are wet, honey, they're wet. For jewelry, this really cute e-necklace. And then for earrings, I'm gonna be wearing these Bottega dupes from Amazon. I'm actually tempted to change. Wearing my Louis Vuitton Press. I'm gonna take you guys with me. The place I'm going is called the Boulevard. It's actually not far from here at all. So anyways, I'm about 25 minutes late. I will see you guys when I get there.